Good morning students. Today we will discuss about parallel lines and the properties of parallel lines. Now first of all I would like to ask, what is parallel line? What do you mean by the parallel lines? If I will say give me some examples, so I can show you students this mobile phone. The mobile phone which I am having is, these two edges are the parallel. When they never meet, so they are the parallel lines. This board opposite sides, these are the parallel, so they never meet. Another example, this is one game part is there, so the edges of this is a square, so the edges of this is also never meet, the opposite sides, so this is also the parallel line. More examples, railway tracks never cross each other, so they are the parallel lines. And various examples are there, edges of the river are there, so they are the parallel lines. Now we will come across with some terminologies which we will be using in the parallel lines. So first of all, I will make two parallel lines, okay, and here this is L and this is M. Let the two lines name be L and M, and one line which intersect both the lines is known as transversal line. The line which intersect both the lines are known as transversal. So let it name be N. Okay. So this is parallel lines. L is parallel to M. How we write? L is parallel to M and N is transversal. We write like this. Now corresponding angles. When we will say corresponding angles, so what do you mean by corresponding angles? So if I say students corresponding angles means the same position, whatever. So now let make me some name of these angles. Say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, and this is 8. Corresponding, as I told you, the angles which are having same position. So which two angles are in having same position? You can see here in the L we are making there are four angles. One is in the right in the top, one is in the left in the top, one is in the right in the bottom, and one in the left in the bottom. Similarly, here also we are having four angles, one in the right, one in the left in the top, one in the right, and one in the left in the bottom. Now, which two angles are having the same position? Now we can see angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 5, 1 and angle 5. Then angle 2 and angle 6. Angle 3 and angle 7. And angle 4 and angle 8. These are having the same position. Whatever position of 1 is having, the same position is of 5. Whatever position of 2 is there, the same position of 6. Whatever position of 3 is there, the same position is of 7. And whatever position of 4 is there, that is the same position of 8. So these are the corresponding angles, and by the properties of a parallel line, corresponding angles are always equal. So what I do, I put equal to sign among this. So angle 1 is equal to angle 5, angle 2 is equal to angle 4, angle 3 is equal to angle 7, and angle 4 is equal to angle 8. Now come to the other part, that is known as alternate interior angle. When we say alternate interior angle, that means alternate interior angle means alternate means one, then leave one, and then this, like odd terms या even terms, you are leaving one in between, एक के बाद एक, एक, फिर छोड़ा एक, then एक. This is alternate. When I will say you have to come alternate days. So this means Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Alternate days. Yeah, alternate week. One week you have to come, another week you don't have to come. Then another week have to come. So this is like leaving one place in between is known as the alternate. Okay, so here alternate, and what we are leaving over here is of course angles and interior angle. What we are leaving? Interior angle. So how many interior angles are there? There are 4 interior angles here. Angle 2, angle 3, angle 5 and angle 8. So when we start from 3, so we will leave 2, we come across 5. So 3 and 5 are alternate interior angles. Similarly 2 and 8 are alternate interior angles. So angle 3 and angle 5 and angle 2 and angle 8. These are also alternate interior angles. Similarly, we are having alternate exterior angles also. 4, 6, 1, 7. So I write it here. Alternate exterior angles. So angle 4 and angle 6, angle 1 and angle 7. Right? Now, consecutive interior angles. Consecutive interior angles means like 5 and 8, 8 and 5, 8 and 3, 3 and 2, 2 and 5. All these are the consecutive interior angles. These are also always equal. These are not always equal. The sum of these two angles are equal to 180 degree. So co-interior angles. We can say co-interior angles. एक तरफ वाले angles. So we can say angle 2 and angle 5. Or angle 5 and angle 8. These are the linear pair. This is obviously and this there. Angle 8 and angle 3. This is 3. And angle 3 and angle 2. So here 3 and 2 are obvious. 5 and 8 is obvious. And 3 and 2 is obvious. Because these are the 180 degree. So here co-interior angles sum, we can write over here, the co-interior angle sum is always equal to 180 degree. This is the property. And here alternate exterior angles are equal as alternate interior angles are there. Okay, so alternate interior angles are equal, alternate exterior angles are equal, and sum of co-interior angles is equal to 180 degree. Now we will discuss some questions. Now let's say for example angle 1 is equal to 70 degree. Find the other angles. In my question it is given angle 1 is equal to 70 degree and we have to find the other angles. As you can see 1 and 2 or 1 and 4 are the linear pairs, or you can say the supplementary angles. So the sum of these two angles is equal to how much? 180 degree. So we can say angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. So 70 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. So angle 4 is equal to how much? 180 minus 70. This is equal to 110. Now you can see students, angle 1 is equal to 70 degree. So angle 1 is equal to angle 3. That is equal to 70 degree. Why? Vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are always equal. So angle 1 and angle 3 is equal to 70 degree. Similarly, I have considered 4 is equal to 110 degree. So angle 4 is equal to angle 2 is equal to 110 degree, same vertically opposite angle. So above 4 angles we got to know. Now we can easily find the other 4 angles by the help of corresponding angles property. The corresponding angle of 1 is equal to 5 So 1 is equal to 5 is equal to 70 degree. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6 is equal to 110 degree. Angle 3 is equal to angle 7 is equal to 70 degree. And the last but not the least, angle 4 plus is equal to angle 8 is equal to 110 degree. Okay, so this is how we find the corresponding angles, or you can say the different type of angles. And then we can go for the some more questions. We have to just keep in mind corresponding angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal, and sum of co-interior angle is equal to 180 degree. These three properties you have to learn very carefully. The first one, all the corresponding angles are equal. If the two lines are parallel, the corresponding angles are equal. If two lines are parallel, the alternate interior angles are equal. And if two lines are parallel, the sum of co-interior angle is equal to 180 degree. So only these three properties, and vice versa is also there. This means if the corresponding angles are equal, then line must be parallel. If alternate interior angles are equal, then line must be parallel. Similarly, if two angles sum is equal to 180 degree, then line must be parallel. Okay, so today I will suggest कि just go through all the examples first by your own. Okay, I will not give you so much of questions to do, but still you can manage to solve all the examples. Like you can see in your book, example 1, in the given figure, L is parallel to M and T is a transversal such that angle 1 is equal to 135. You have to find the other angle. Same process you have to do. In question number 2, in the example 2, it is written, prove that two lines which are parallel to the same given line are parallel to each other also. So if there are three parallel lines, so we can say let L, M, N be three parallel lines. And then what I will do is, I name it as 1, 2 and 3. The three corresponding angles will be like, this is L, this is M and this is N. This is angle 1, this is angle 2 and this is angle 3. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because L is parallel to M. Corresponding angles are equal. Similarly, 2 is equal to angle 3 because M is parallel to N. Now if angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to angle 3. So this is obvious, angle 1 is equal to angle 3. So this implies L is parallel to N. So prove that two lines which are parallel to the same given lines are parallel to each other also. And similarly, prove that two lines which are perpendicular to the same given line in the plane are parallel to each other. The same thing we can do over there also. Now see in question number 4 what we have to find out. There is two parallel lines CE and BA, and this is something different they have drawn. So you can see in this question, students, we have to find angle ACB, and it is given AB is parallel to CE. So you can see this is a twisted line, but you can turn when you will turn your page book page. So you can easily see that AB and CE are parallels, and this 60 and these two are alternate interior angles. So by the alternate interior angles property, if this is 60, this is also equal to 60. We can see BAC is equal to angle ACE equal to 60 degree. Now what we have to find, students? I think I have to find ACB. So angle ACB, these angles. Now these three are the sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degree. Now we can easily find out. Angle ACB plus angle ACE plus angle ECD is equal to 180 degree. So angle ACB plus 60 plus 65 is equal to 180 degree. And I hope you can do this. 125 is equal to 180. Angle ACB is equal to 180 minus 125. So this is equal to how much? 55, right? So that's it for today's. You just I have discussed till example 4, and there are total 10 examples are there. Please go through each and every examples, and then we can go for the exercise. Goodbye, students.